It's the Ray Dunn PJs for me. Hey King crew, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling my disaster pantry, guys. These things have clearly just spilled out and over, so it's time to get some rhyme and reason to this. Before I jump too far in, I did want to do my content creator spotlight, and today I am spotlighting Lisa from To Each Their Own Homeschool and her new channel, The Cleaning Channel. Guys, Lisa is so awesome, and I met her through a mega collaboration that we did together, and she's been so sweet, so amazing. I love her content. Homeschooling has been on my mind as of lately. It's kind of like one of those things that's in my heart, like do it. I am a teacher, but I just didn't think that I would be successful at homeschooling my own kids. I know that might sound crazy, that I don't trust myself with their education, but while I'm very much over them and micromanage their academics, I just didn't think that I could do it. However, it has been something that has truly been on my mind, and watching Lisa do it is just so inspiring and definitely pushing me in that direction. So I just wanted to spotlight her today, and you guys should show her some love. I will link her channel below.
I was falling through the air. No one let myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love.
Okay, Cain crew, we are jumping right in and clearing out the pantry. The only way to get rid of a lot of this clutter is to just clear it all out and start from the ground up. We are going to take it all out. We're going to go through the expiration dates. We're doing it all today. However, if you are new, let me say hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by today. My name is Cain. I am a mom of 3, a fiance, and an educator by day. On my channel, you will see a lot of dancing while I'm cleaning, organizing, decluttering my home, lots of homemaking things, as well as mom activities and vlogs. So if that's your thing, please hit that red subscribe button on your way out and join the crew.
Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night.
Okay, so it's actually the next morning. I spent last night just TikToking it away and spending time with the kids. So I didn't put this stuff back in here. And look at my counters. I know, a mess, right? So what we have to do now is I want to clean off the racks, and I want to organize everything into bins first. So I'm really not going to be able to use this kitchen area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it by shelf. I already own most of my acrylic containers. And at the top I had like one that says pantry, this little bin that says pantry, and at the bottom I had the same thing. But honestly, I'm a girl who needs to see my items or have them labeled. So not seeing what's in that pantry bin has cost me a lot of money, in the sense that I'm the type of person who buys the same thing twice, right? So I scored these clear pantries from Target. What I keep in them above things is like rice, like boxes of rice, and pretty much back stock of any additional items. So because I can't see in it, I don't like it. So I bought these to organize this stuff in up top. Let's see if they fit. It looks like they fit perfect with a little bit of space to actually spare. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I actually could use one more. I could use one more. But I don't know if I'm gonna find one more, because I've never seen these before. And I found them. Maybe I'll look on Amazon now that I have the like measurements of it. But I found them, and it was only these two, and I've never seen them before. So great score. Wish I could use one more. Definitely going to check Amazon. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to actually move the organization part to the living room, since the counters are so full of stuff. I'm going to start with the top. I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff in there after I figure out how to take these off. Let's do it.
I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over.
These are the pantry baskets that were at the top. I'm sorry. These are at the top and the bottom. I'm gonna keep my bottom one to put back stock like juices and stuff in it, because I can see, I have the hiccups, guys. I can see inside of this one. I just can't see the top one. Oh, before I throw this away, let me look for this on Amazon. And if it's on Amazon, I'll definitely link it below.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it.
Yeah, legit can't find them anywhere. That's crazy to me. But work with what I have. Okay.
To that horrid bitter, maybe you taste different.
So here I'm just going through and getting rid of whatever has expired and is old, or we absolutely won't have or use. So that's just what I'm doing here, and this is really just a testament to what I was saying earlier about I'm the type of person who will buy things twice, not realizing that it was already something in the house. So I'm definitely making an effort to be better at that by changing out my cute little pantry bins into acrylic containers here, so that I can actually see what I am spending my money on, or going to the grocery store and just buying the necessities. I've also learned that meal prep has helped out a lot with knowing what I have as well, because when I meal prep, I go into the kitchen and see what we have and build the meals around that, so that I'm only going to the store to buy the essentials. But you'll see that in a video coming soon, so make sure that you are subscribed and that your post notification bell is on, so that you don't miss my content.
Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you. while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that.
So here you see me just wiping out the organizers to make sure that they're clear of any food or any muck that may have gotten on them while they were in use in the pantry. And that's just what I'm doing here. I got most of these from Amazon and some of them from like TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and of course the two from Target that I mentioned. But if I know where I got them from, I would definitely link them in the description box below so that you guys can organize your pantries as well. And if you're like me and you need to see, go for it. This is a great way. And if this may be a little too high end, because these can get pricey, listen, Dollar Tree has some great storage bins, and if you haven't caught my Dollar Tree organizing video, make sure that you check it out. I will link it in the cards here. Okay, so I've gotten all of the stuff that we have into the containers. I'm glad that I did this right before going grocery shopping, because there are a lot of empty containers, which is a good thing because then I know not to overbuy and I will know what we have already here to kind of just buy stuff to go along with the things that we have here. So now we're going to go ahead and put this all back into the pantry.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun.
Okay, so we got everything in here and organized. Everything has its place. Everything is up to date. Now we're going to do a little cleaning and then wrap this up.
But you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you?
And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my content. I truly do appreciate it. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. You know I love talking to you down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.